Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting and very simple topic, that is importance of biodiversity. Now students, what is biodiversity? It is basically the diversity which we see in the nature around us. Now forests are one of the best biodiversity hotspots. Meaning what? There are many diverse creatures, plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, etc. which are found in a forest, which makes it a very hot spot for biodiversity. Students, the measure of biodiversity in an area depends upon the number of species found and the range of different life forms. Also students, the main aim of conservation is to preserve the biodiversity. Moving on students, biodiversity provides us with various resources. For example, wood, timber, food, medicines, etc. Also, a loss of diversity may lead to a loss of ecological stability. Yes students, biodiversity or the nature basically contains so many different organisms which are interdependent. If there is loss of some type of organisms, maybe what will happen is other organisms which were dependent on this organism which went extinct may also get damaged. That is the reason we need to conserve the entire biodiversity. Moving on, resilience is a very important aspect of biodiversity, and as the diversity and the nature is resilient, it has been able to withstand up till now such harsh use of the natural resources which is done by humans. Students, natural or man-made disasters or invasion of alien species are various reasons which might disrupt the entire ecosystem. Let us take example of certain alien species. Now, there is a species of grass known as Parthenium and another species of plant known as Lantana. These are called as invasive species. These plants grow very quickly and use up all the nutrients present in soil, and therefore they cause damage to the indigenous and local plants.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.